Yes.
My Lord, I seek your indulgence in mentioning item number 2, part 2.
Item number 2.
Part 2. Yes. My Lord, my senior Mr. Bila Ramenga, he is out of station due to some personal difficulties. So, with the consent of the other party, this matter may be taken again after 2 weeks.
You are appearing for...
Respondent.
For the appellant?
The appellant is not present. I'm making mention on behalf of the respondent.
Oh, you are for the respondent?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. Have you taken consent of the other side, the appellant?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. With the consent of the other side. The learned counsel appealing for the respondent with an adjournment stating that this counsel is out of station. List after 2 weeks you want?
Yes, my Lord.
List after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
Item number 1 of daily list.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Well, this is a criminal petition for quashing of the complaint petition, my lord. The complaint petition, Your Lordship, will find at page 35.
Yes, 35.
Well, this is a complaint petition which has been filed by the respondent number 2 against the petitioner, that is the branch manager, HDFC Bank, Champai branch, my lord. Under section 2110 for taking cognizance, under section 3165. My lord, here for freezing of his account, Lordship. If Your Lordship may come to page 37, my lord, the prayer of the complaint.
Page?
Page 37, my lord.
37.
The prayer portion in the complaint petition.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. In the premises aforesaid, the complainant prays this honorable court to appropriate action against the OP manager, HDFC Bank, Champai branch under section 315 of BNS in accordance to law, and to direct the opposite to release and unfreeze the said bank account bearing number so and so. My lord, here what has happened, my lord, if I may elaborate a brief story, my lord, what has happened. Here the respondent number 2 is the customer of the HDFC Bank in Champai branch, my lord. He has opened one saving account, which Your Lordship will find at page 38. That is the after submitting all his credentials, his saving accounts were opened. And then, my lord, again later on he has opened again another current account in his name, which Your Lordship will find at page 40. My lord, dear.
Yes.
Yes, page 40, this is the current account opening formal of the respondent number 2. And on page 41, Lordship, the gross income of the respondent number 2, on top of it, as Your Lordship got it, has been marked to be around 1 to 3 lakhs. So that is what he has stated, that the gross income of the current account is 1 to 3 lakhs as per his own submission. And later on, he has through online, he has increased the limit to 10 to 15 lakhs, my lord, which Your Lordship will find. This is the screenshot at page 42.
Yes.
This is screenshot has been from the portal, my lord. And after opening of his current account, what is happening, my lord? There has been suspicious transactions going on in his account, which has crossed more than 2 to 3 crores. If Your Lordship kindly go to the statement of account, Your Lordship, at page 43, I'll just show 3 of the transactions, my lord. As Your Lordship got it, page 43.
Yes, yes.
If Your Lordship may come to 16,223, this is a cash deposit. If Your Lordship may see the deposit amount, this is 54 lakhs. And again down on the same 2223 cash deposit, 50 lakhs. Well, more than 50 lakhs, 25 lakhs, the cash deposits were have been happening. And if Your Lordship may see one suspicious also transaction at page 51, the same transaction, page 51. The Lordship sees there have been multiple cash deposits from Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Kolkata, around 45,000, 52,000, enormous. These are only the few of the transactions that I have been pointing out to your Lordship. There have been several. And after that, what has happened, we have also received the notice from the Income Tax Department from Kolkata to give his statement of account, which your Lordship will find at page 91.
Yes.
Yes, madam. This is the income tax notice which we have received in the Kolkata branch. Here, my lord, if I may. In this connection, your kind attention is invited to the provision of under section so and so of the Income Tax Act, which empowers the undersigned to call for the information which is considered relevant or necessary for proceeding on Income Tax Act. Down below, my lord, on the second para, my lord, in the box, the account number of the respondent number 2 has been sought for regarding the statement of account. Apart from all this, in spite because there has been multiple suspicious accounts which does not match with the profile of the respondent number 2, the bank, not from the Mizoram, in Mumbai, because we have a tracking system called Central Alert Tracking System, which goes to the transactions of the customers, have blocked the account because of the suspicious transactions, and accordingly have also sent an email to the respondent number 2, which your lordship will find at page in 93.
Mm.
93, my lord.
Yes.
This is the, yes. Here, my lord, I'll read out. We are reaching back concerning a critical update regarding your HDFC bank account, which was communicated earlier. We had noticed some account activities that did not match the profile associated with your HDFC bank account. Here, my lord, as a responsible bank, we may take necessary steps, including restricting account operations if the transactions do not align with your profile and adhering to prudent banking norms with or without a court order. As a result, we have temporarily paused the debit transactions from your account, which means that he cannot, it's a debit phase, but he cannot take out any amount. After this, my lord, the blocking, it has been submitted in the portal, the CATS portal. The branch manager accordingly has to visit the customer, which he has done, and has to sort for the some notice or invoice where the income has been coming from. Whereas because it doesn't match, he has not given anything, my lord, in spite of repeated requests. Because all the blocking has been done from the Mumbai branch, my lord, at Mumbai, from the central head office, not from the petitioners at Champhai. And now, accordingly, he has filed the complaint petition, my lord.
Yes.
And now, my lord, after filing the complaint petition, if your lordship may come to the order of the learned court at page 105, my lord. That was the first order.
Yes.
My lord, here. Criminal complaint number so and so. The complainant is present and is accordingly examined under 223 of BNSS. Upon perusal of the deposition of the examination of the complaint, sufficient materials are found to presume that the accused has committed the offence under section 3165 of BNS. Accordingly, they issue summons to the manager. And without hearing, my lord, they have issued the summon, my lord. And then the next day, my lord, we had sought time, place all the documents, the next lordship's order at page 106. That is also over the impugn order. If I may, my lord. Cindy Wakalatnama duly expeded by the manager, Bank Champhai branch in favor of so and so advocate, my lord. The accused is, however, absent with stat as prayed for by the learned counsel for the accused. Well, we had taken time because we need to sort information. We just simply sought for adjournment, my lord, on that day, particular day. However, the court inquired as to why was the account was blocked, and we have verbally submitted that it was about due to suspicion account, but we could not place all the documents which you have been placing before a lordship. Now, my lord, the submission of the counsel for the accused is also heard upon, where he stated that the bank account of the complainant was freezed on account that there were irregular transactions which appears to be suspicious. When asked to explain himself of the transactions, he had failed to make a proper explanation of the transactions. Well, on that date, we could not place all the records, the transactions, the income tax notice because it took time to place before it. And actually, we sought time, my lord, irrespective of whether, and accordingly, my lord, last paragraph, and since no prior action or steps has been exhausted by the accused, it appears that that the accused is freeze at the very outset. Account is freeze at the very outset. Hence, cognizance under 3165 of BNS is taken, hearing the submission of the counsel for the accused. And the hearing on the submission, we have not placed the material facts. We sought time on that date to place all the facts. And however, it was not done, my lord. And accordingly, my lord, cognizance has been taken against the branch manager, which he had no role or authority to freeze the account because it has been done by the central team in Mumbai, my lord. And if your lordship may come to the definition under section 316, my lord, of the BNS, it's a criminal breach of trust, my lord, whether the offense is relatable. My lord, what is 316, my lord? Criminal breach of trust, if I may. Whoever, being in any member entrusted with property or with any dominion over property, dishonestly misappropriates or converts to his own use the property, or dishonestly uses or disposes of that property in violation of any direction of law prescribing the mode in which such trust is to be discharged, or of any legal contract express or implied which he has to be made touching the discharge of such trust, or willfully suffers any other person to do so, commits criminal breach of trust. Here, the property has to be misappropriated or converts. Here, the amount is lying there in his account. It has not been misappropriated, nor has been flushed out from his account. It is still there. There is no misappropriation of criminal breach of trust. And moreover, my lord, the freezing of the account has been done from the central team, my lord. But that is my case, my lord. And when bank do has a power to freeze in suspicious account under Prevention of Money Laundering Act, my lord. If your lordship knows, my lord, in section 12AA, and that is my case, my lord. Because I am the branch manager.
We sent him to submit.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm
You are
request-
appearing from whom? For whom?
for the
Respond number
state.
2 or state?
One.
Acha 1. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. What I would like to submit today is that as per the last order of the CJM, Champhai District, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Your Lordship, now the case is pending. And on what ground now the council had appeared before this court? Because there is no judgment yet whether the bank has to pay costs or whatever. There is no judgment yet. They are summoned. So it is their duty to appear before the Chief Judicial Magistrate and explain themselves and submitted their submission. So, Your Lordship, at this stage, there is no reason to approach this higher court before the judgment has been pronounced in the case pending before the CJM. So, Your Lordship, in my humble opinion, there is no reason to entertain this petition at this stage, because the outcome of the petition laid before the CJM is not yet pronounced. There is no outcome yet. They are summoned, and they will appear before the court and present whatever they have to submit before the CJM, Your Lordship, in my humble opinion.
Okay. Do you have any submission? Otherwise, we are issuing notice to the other side.
Once cognizance has been taken, and I stand as an accused, which I have not done, as a branch manager, but it will hamper my career.
Do you have any interim prayer in that regard, or?
Yes, to stay the proceeding till the pendency of this case,
Your Lordship, as per the last court order, today is the court date before the CJM court. Today
Today,
is
date
the
was
court
fixed
date.
today.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Today is a court day, we are only seeking a stay of the entire cumulative petition, because there are material facts which I have placed
No,
before your lordship.
but the question is that suppose if the proceeding is stayed, the account of the respond number 2 has already been freezed. So
Madam.
most probably he is facing some problem in withdrawing money or whatever in using that account. So that may be another problem. So whether they have already, there is any letter or approach before your branch for opening the account, or
They have
for
not approached,
defreezing the account?
because of this multiple suspicious account, they have not placed any document.
For the defreezing of account, is there any prayer from their side? No.
No, there's a prayer from there. Well, here what happened in the complaint petition, he has only referred to his saving account. He has suppressed this material facts of his current account, my lord. That is what I am submitting, my lord. He is asking for the freezing of his saving account, but actually he has suppressed the suspicious transaction in his current account, my lord,
Those,
which I have
those
lost it, have shown.
suspicious transactions were already in his current account.
In his current account.
But the
And
entire account
because
has
the
been
same-
freezed. But the
Yes,
entire
ma'am.
account has been freezed now.
Well, both the accounts has been
Both
freezed.
the accounts has
because,
been freezed.
Freeze, madam. Well, we do not have any objection in the freezing his saving account, multi-dependency. But then I'm only praying, the matter may be stayed, because there are multiple questions to be determined whether 316 applies to the petitioner, because he does not have the authority to block his account, madam. It was done centrally. He was only following due diligence.
No, that is okay. But you are saying that there is suspicious transaction particularly in his current account.
My lord.
But both the accounts have been freezed. So in
My
that
lord.
case, the petitioner may face some problem. So whether
My
I'm
lord.
saying that whether he prayed for defreezing his any account till date, no.
No, madam.
Or there is any other application for defreezing his account, no.
No, madam, not yet.
He may for defreeze. He may approach the bank authority for defreezing this, particularly his saving account. He may
Saving account, if your lordship dies, we can defreeze it, madam.
No, I'm not
The current account may be stayed.
He may approach that liberty may be given to him.
Madam.
In
till then, madam,
connection with the saving account.
saving account, madam.
Saving account. Okay.
Madam, till then, madam, proceeding may be stayed, madam, because
Okay. You are Mr. Smith?
yes, madam, M. Smith.
Heard Mr. M. Smith, the learned counsel for the petition. And also heard MS
Vanessa,
Valencia, the learned. You are for PP, na? Additional PP, State of Mizoram, so and so. This is an application under Section 528 BNSS for quashing of the complaint petition bearing criminal complaint case number 12/2025 pending before the Court of Learned CGM Champai, Mizoram. Post. Issue notice to the respondents. However, no formal notice is required to be issued for the state response number 1. The copy of the petition may be served during the course of the day. Post. Next para. Further, it is submitted. Further, Mr. Smith further submitted that the account of the respondent number 2 has been freezed due to some suspicious transactions in his current account, and in spite of the issuance of the notice to him, he could not produce any such document for those suspicious transactions, and for which only it is the central branch from Mumbai had freezed the account, and thereafter freezed the account of the respondent number 2. And after freezing the account, the email was also sent to the respondent number 2. But without approaching the bank authority with the documents, the present respondent number 2 had approached the court with a complaint petition which has been registered according, and without hearing, the petitioner side had, the learned CGM had took cognizance under section 316 subsection 5 of BNS and issued summon to the present petitioner. He further submitted that the present petitioner, being the branch manager of the Sampai branch Mizoram, had no role or authority to freeze the accounts of the respondent, and he is no way connected in freezing these accounts. Mr. Smith further submitted that there is no material or ingredients to attract section 316 of the subsection 5 of BNSS to take cognizance against the present petitioner. Accordingly, he submitted that the petition, the further proceeding in respect of the present petitioner may be stayed in connection with complaint case number so and so pending before learned court of CGM so and so. Mr. Smith further submitted that there was suspicious transaction in his current account, but suppressing the fact, the complaint petition has been filed, and the petitioner till date has not approached the bank authority for defreezing his account, his saving account. Next part, considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, further proceeding in case number so and so against the present petitioner be stayed till next date of listing. Also call for the scanned copy of the TCR. Further, however, the petitioner, the respondent number 2 is at liberty to approach the bank authority for defreezing his saving account. Saving account. If saving account. List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks will do. After
Madam.
3 weeks. List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks as on a date to be fixed by the ministry. Submission, sorry, এটা বস্তুৰ submission দি দিয়কচোন এইখিনি submissioner পিছতে Mr. Smithৰ submissioner পিছত এটা submission দি দিব তেখেতৰ Mr. MS so the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that the only cognizance has been taken against the present petitioner and there is no order, no effective order has been passed till date and hence there cannot be, there may not be any stay of the proceeding at this stage. Okay, it will be listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 2.
May it please your lordship, although this matter is fixed for admission hearing today, my lord, my senior Mr. Jordan Rangmingthanga for respondent number 5 is appearing before the principal bench today. So if this matter may kindly be taken up another day.
So you are for the respondent number?
5. I'm appearing on behalf of my senior.
No, whatever, you are for respondent number 5.
Yes, my lord.
State is respondent number 1, 2 and 3.
Yes, my lord.
State respondents are appearing here?
He's on legs in the other court.
No, state respondent. You are for the respondent number 1, 2 and 3. And what about the respondent number 4 is not represented by anyone?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Have you filed any, your affidavit in opposition in that case?
Yes, my lord.
You have already filed?
Yes, already filed.
And what about the state? You have already? You have already filed. Okay. Though otherwise matter is ready for admission hearing.
And my lord, one more request, if we may have a fixed date.
You won't have a?
Fixed date.
You want to have a fixed date?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
Do you
if
have
it
any
may be
objection?
no objections, my lord. However, if it may be fixed on the 12th of February, my lord.
12th of February will be convenient for you also?
Yes, my lord.
But many matters have been fixed on 12th of February, I think, na? Yesterday, many matters have been fixed on 12th of February. It may create some problems, so let me check. Do you have any another date?
Not so many cases are fixed for.
It can be?
Yeah.
Okay then, okay. Hard MS Swenson, Learning Council. You are appearing for JC,
Yes, my lord. I'm
Madam
appearing
Subramanian.
on behalf of my senior.
appearing on behalf of Mr. Yatappa from Agorda to Rasa Sailova, so and so, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and also heard MS Linda, the Learned, your additional government, additional AG appearing for the state respondent number 1, 2 and 3, and also heard MS Luguli,
Lelrin Omitsakswak.
so and so appearing on behalf of Mr.
Jordan.
You are appearing on behalf of Mr.
Jordan Rangmingthanga.
Acha,
For respondent number 5.
Jordan Rangmingthanga ইয়াতে আছে নামটো and submitted that the engaged counsel Mr. Jordan is not in a position to appear before his court today and accordingly paid for adjournment, to which the learned counsel for the petitioner raised no objection. In view of this, let the matter be listed on 12th of February 2025 in admission hearing call. This time. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, I'm standing on behalf of my senior, Mrs. Mary L. Kyengte. Since she's on leave, we have filed our Vakalandama on 2/12/25.
You are the newly implemented respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is respondent number 16.
Yes.
You have filed your Vakalatama.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And are you going to file any affidavit in this case, or
Yes, we will be filing our affidavit. If
you will be filing?
Yes.
What about the other respondents? They have already filed?
Yes, my lord. The direction is against the respondent number 16, my lord.
16 only?
Yes, it is imperative that the 16 file their affidavit.
So earlier you were also appearing for 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 15. Now
Yes,
you are also appearing for 16, no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hard MS. You are MS?
Valentina Dinpui, my lord.
Hard MS Valentina so-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. so-and-so appearing on behalf of, you are appearing on behalf of Mr.
Mrs. Mary L. Kyengte.
Also Mrs. Mary L. Khante, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 and the newly implemented respondent number 16. However, it is submitted that the newly implemented respondent number 16 will be filing his affidavit in opposition and accordingly needs some time for the same. To which the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner raised no objection, considering the according full-stop. This is the matter. How many weeks you need?
If Your Lordship can kindly grant us 3 weeks' time.
3 weeks
Yes, Your Lordship.
will do.
No issues, my lord.
List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks, enabling the respondent number 16 to file his the affidavit in opposition. List accordingly.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Yes, Your Lordship. This is a simple matter. I am the owner of LSC located at Saronveng. LSC covered by LSC number 303 of 1973. 303 of 1973, the LSC number, Your Lordship. I bought this LSC in the year 1984. Now, adjacent to my land, there's a government primary school. However, that primary school does not fully occupy that said land, and there's some.
Who is appearing for the state respondent? You are appearing?
Your Lordship, the counsel who is appearing on behalf of the state is on land.
Pardon?
She's on land.
She is on line.
Yes,
So for
Your
some
Lordship.
for time being, matter maybe.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, she is coming, I think. Or he can.
Now we are calling her, Your Lordship.
Huh?
We are calling her and she will be appearing. If the
Okay.
matter may
In the
be
meantime, he
passed
can-
over for time being.
Or Aredona.
For time being,
She's coming right now, so in the meantime, I can just continue. Your Lordship.
you can continue. Okay then.
So, Your
Now what
Lordship,
you saying? Yes, your petition, your land is adjacent to.
the government primary school, and at the entrance of the school, there's a vacant piece of land, which is called a public land, and through that, I have been given a passage, right of passage through that piece of government land. If I may take Your Lordship to page number 24, Your Lordship, that is the map of the land. as you can see, Your Lordship, there's a step leading down to my land. That is the entry that I've been given as per the land, as per the LSC. And however, sometime in 2006, Your Lordship, the primary school just suddenly closed off everything by building a wall, denying me my right to pass through that land. So I'm effectively left with no place to live and to access my land. However, Your Lordship, in the meantime, I have been able to access my land through some neighbors, but that is not as of right. They have been kind enough to let me pass through for the time being. So I have no actual right to access my land as of right now, because the government primary school had control of the entire land. So this matter has been taken up many times before the authorities also, and after proper verification, Your Lordship, the director of the land revenue had passed an order the same is at page number 57, Your Lordship. The English translation, that is the page number 57. May I read, Your Lordship?
I seek your lordship's indulgence, my lord. I have to file affidavit in this case. I have not yet filed the affidavits.
You have not filed it?
Yes, my lord. I have to seek instructions from the department and file the affidavit.
But only last occasion have you filed prayed for any such prayer was made by you last occasion?
Lordship, this case
acha,
has
acha,
been
entrusted
recently
with you.
endorsed to me.
Okay, okay. So you are appearing for the state respondent numbers?
Respondent, all the respondents, my lord.
All the respondents?
Yes, my lord.
Now, what have, I'm just asking you seek instructions, no issue. But the question is that most probably as from his submission, so far I can understand, there is no passage to his land at present because of construction of the primary school. So you may take instruction or you can seek instructions from your department. By the same time, if it is possible on the part of the government also to give any passage, a small passage let it be, but to access to his land. Just take the instructions in that regard also, whether that is possible on the government side, because for the construction of the primary school, most probably his land is behind, or I don't know, he has no passage to
Your Lordship,
access to the land.
in this regard, there's also an order by the Revenue Department, Director of the Revenue Department, to demolish that wall. So we are actively pursuing that the effect may be given to that order. That is all.
Revenue Department?
Yes, Your Lordship. The Revenue Department is, after proper verification, they've come to the conclusion that that piece of land does not belong to the primary school. And if they apply, they would be given a proper lease for that primary school. Because previously they were in possession of a miscellaneous pass only. So that does not give them any right. So that order has been made, but however, let the government
Heard Mr. Swenso Dilani, counsel for the petitioner, and also heard MS Swenso Dilani, government advocate, appearing for the state respondents. The matter was fixed for admission hearing today, but it is submitted by Dilani, government advocate, that she needs some time to take instructions and to file the affidavit in opposition in that regard. Considering the submission made by the learned government advocate, let the matter be. How many weeks you need?
Lordship, 3 weeks time. may
Let the
be
matter
given.
be listed after 3 weeks, enabling the state respondents to seek instruction as well as to file their affidavit in opposition in that regard. Okay, list accordingly. Okay, we'll be listing after 3 weeks, but now see, most probably he is facing some problem.
Yes, my lord.
So see, think over it and do something if it is possible. Seek instruction and file your affidavit in
Yes,
opposition.
my lord.
Lordship. Item number 5.
Lordship, in this matter, we have taken steps upon the respondent number 1 on 17 October 2025. And Lordship, till date,
Respondent
AD card
number
has not
1.
yet, yes, AD card has not yet returned.
Why the address is proper or?
We have sent it through the proprietor of the company, Lordship. It's a registered address. So, Lordship, this matter has been pending for almost 1 year, and notice upon respondent number 1 is still not complete till date. So I don't know, Lordship, if this matter, they have a counsel in the matter. The civil suit is pending before the civil judge Colosseum, Lordship. They have a counsel upon there, and if your Lordship allow, we can serve it through their counsel also, their local counsel also, if your Lordship allowed.
Respondent number 1, na?
Yes.
Balaji Developers Engineering.
This is also the second time we have submitted the address.
Who is appearing for the respondent number 2 here? You are.
Yes, madam.
Do you have any idea or can you help us in that regard? In respondent number 1 with the, here to the, as per the address, it is in from the Ghaziabad UP. The company is the registered address.
Yes, madam.
But is the company has any offices or here as per your information, do you have any such kind of information?
My lord, I will look into it. I will take instructions.
If any branch
Yes.
office or any office is operating here, because it is from the Ghaziabad, so it may some problem because registered address, otherwise registered address, but till then, in spite of that, there may be some offices here
Yes,
in
my lord.
Mizoram also.
Yes, yes.
So, in that case, you may help the petitioner side because she is directly submitting that the case is pending since 2025 only for the awaiting service for this respondent number 1.
Yes, madam.
Otherwise, state is pro forma respondent, I think. And what about you? Do you have any? You have filed any objection? I mean, the written affidavit and all?
Not yet, Your Lordship.
Not yet. And respondent number 2, have you filed? No.
No,
Not
madam.
yet.
Not yet.
So, Lordship, if this matter can be taken up again in the next week and we can inquire about the address also. And moreover, Lordship, the registry can track the this AD card also.
The AD card can be tracked by the
Yes.
registry.
Yes.
That report may be submitted
Yes,
by the
yes,
registry.
yes, yes.
We'll pass a direction to the registry also in that regard. Hard MSH Lalma Swami, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard your
J.H. Ricky Lalrotfela.
so the learned counsel for the respondent number 2, and MS Velusamy, the learned government advocate for the pro forma state respondent. It is submitted by MS Velusamy that the case is pending since last 1 year for the service on the respondent number 1, and which is still awaited as per the office note dated 27/1/2026. So on perusal of the record also, it is seen that the case is pending only for the awaiting service for the respondent number 1. It is also submitted by the council for the petitioner that at the address which has been the notices has been issued to the registered address of the company, but till that there is no return of the AD card as the need AD card or the report from the or nor there is any service report. Full stop. In that context, the registry is hereby asked to track the hereby asked to report before this court, and by tracking the consignment of the AD card, the track consignment is hereby asked to verify the track consignment report of the AD card in respect of the respondent number 1. Full stop. In the meantime, the petitioner will also try to get the present and proper address of the respondent number 1 and will take steps and will take fresh steps accordingly. List the matter after 1 week. You want after 1 week?
Lordship, yes, after 1 week, and respondent
Yes.
number 2 can looked into the matter also, whether the company, regarding the company, it's there, and
Whether the
BCC.
respondent number 2 is also hereby requested to respond number 2 to direct korbo নোৱাৰে verbally here আমি request it is verbal request
Lordship,
for my
no
court.
fresh steps as of date. The matter can be taken up again in the next week, and if it is possible,
we
we
cannot
can take
direct the
fresh
respondent number
steps.
2 through there cannot
Yes.
be any written communication, just we verbally requested him if it can be possible on his part to help you in that case, if there is any office is here available. So list after 1 week for let us see. We listing after 1 week.
Yes.
If you get any new address, proper address,
Yes.
or it can be held by the respondent number 2, then we can
Yes,
fetch the
absolutely,
report.
yes.
List after 1 week.
Oblige.
Item number 6.
Lordship, despite I have seek time for filing rejoinder of affidavit, but I'm not going to file, and may this matter be listed for heart of merit, for hearing.
So you have already filed your rejoinder affidavit.
No, not yet. I'm not going to file. In the last court date, I had seek time for filing rejoinder affidavit, but I'm not going to file.
Oh, you are not going to file?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So matter may be listed for hearing.
Yes, yes, my lord.
In fact, my lord, I'm appearing for the respondent number 4. We have filed an affidavit on 8/8/2025.
The day
I have
for
received
time
all-
for seeking, I mean for filing the rejoinder affidavit, but now she is saying that they are not going to file.
Yes, my
So
lord.
it can be fixed for hearing
Can
in
be
that
fixed
case.
for hearing.
Yes. Heart MS. You are MS Jacinta?
Jacinta Zoltan Moya.
Family so and so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and submitted a though the last date they sought time for filing their rejoinder affidavit, but they are not going to file the rejoinder affidavit, and accordingly she submitted that matter may be fixed for hearing. To which Mr. C. Lalfanjikula, so and so the learned counsel for the respondent number 4, agreed and submitted that matter may be fixed for hearing. You are for the state respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship. 1,
Also-
2, 3, 5, and 6.
Also heard MS so and so the learned government advocate appearing for respondent number 1, 2,
2, 3,
and
5,
5.
and 6.
1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. In view of this, let the matter be listed. How many weeks you need?
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks in hearing column as on a date to be fixed by the registry. Okay, it will be raised.
Much obliged.
Item number 7.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 2. May I seek another 2 weeks' time for filing show cause reply?
May it please your lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent number 5 and 6 on behalf of my senior, Mr. P.C. Tangmoya. I seek your lordship's indulgence for an extension of 3 weeks to file the affidavit in opposition.
So you are for the 3 and 5.
No, my lord, 5 and 6.
Sorry, 5 and 6.
Yes, my lord.
So you also want to file your affidavit, and you are for 2.
2.
And what about the 1? They have already filed?
No, none have filed their affidavit. And if I might take your lordship, there was an order on 11/11/2025 of this honorable court order.
Yes.
Para 2 of Para 3, if I may read it. It is made clear that the respondent number 2 is required to file his response to the notice issued stating the steps taken by him for compliance of the order of this court, if any taken by him. It is further made clear that in the absence of a respondent on the part of the respondent number 2 on the next date of listing, appropriate orders may be passed. So, if necessary.
So yes, there was a strict order in fact. So in spite of that, what are you doing now?
My lord, we require the additional time to...
And that order was on 11/11. Then what is the order on 18/11? Now respondent, who is the respondent number 7? Respondent number 7 has already been impleted here or no, not yet impleted?
Respondent number 7 is already impleted.
Already impleted. Have you taken state for him?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who is for the 3 and 4 not appearing? You have also not filed your affidavit. No, as per the office note at 21/1/2026, 3 and 4 also not yet filed their affidavit, most probably till date. I don't know. Whether, yes, Mr. Counsel for the petitioner, whether
Yes.
they have filed?
No, none have
3 and
filed.
4?
None
None
have
has
filed.
filed. No, see, this is a contempt case, so you file your petition. And the last occasion, he rightly pointed out to the respondent number 2 also, it was a clear direction from the court to file their affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, respondent number 2 is already posted out. That is why
Already?
they implemented, already posted out. That is why they implemented respondent number 7.
Oh, so now the respondent number 7 is there.
But we did not receive any instruction yet. Or we did not file
No, for the respondent number 2, now respondent number 7 is there.
Yes, my lord.
Acha. Okay, then your respondent number 7 is still awaited in fact.
No, respondent number 2 is the chief engineer, BRTF. And respondent number 7 is the secretary, Land Revenue Settlement Department.
No, my lord. Respondent number 7 is Rajiv Dua, new chief engineer, new incumbent. 8 is secretary, Land Revenue and Settlement Department.
No. He is saying that respondent number 2 is the executive engineer or...
Yes, my lord.
But Mr. Rajiv Dua is not the executive engineer. He is the new
Chief
incumbent
engineer.
in place of whom? In place of whom?
Respondent number 2.
No. Hey. Not in place of respondent number 2.
Yes, my lord. Respondent number 2 is Girish Prasad Singh, chief engineer. And now respondent number 7 is Rajiv Dua, chief engineer, new incumbent.
Oh, acha. Okay then. heard Mr. You are Mr.
Kerala.
Kewali, the learned counsel for the Kerolan, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard. So for 2, you are appearing for 2 now. 2, you are appearing on behalf of whom?
Baby Laldin Zwali. For respondent number 2.
For the learned counsel for the respondent number 2, and also heard MS so and so, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 5 and 6. It is submitted by the learned counsels for the respondent that they need they need some more time to file their affidavit in opposition, as the instructions is yet to be received from the department concerned. Further, the learned CGC is appearing here on behalf of. You are first, not for CGC. You are not for.
Yes, I am on for CGC.
CGC. So and so for CGC ko diba. And government respondent number 1. How many respondents are government respondent? 1.
5 and 6 only.
1, 5 and 6. From the record, it reveals that none of the respondents have filed their affidavit in opposition till date, in spite of the strict direction made by this court by its order dated 11/11/2025. Full stop. However, it is seen from the record that the respondent number 7 has newly implemented in this case, who is the new incumbent in place of respondent number 2. However, the service is still awaited for the respondent number 7. Full stop. In view of this, let the matter may be listed after 3 weeks, enabling all the respondents to file their affidavit in opposition, and also await for service till of the respondent number 7. List accordingly after 3 weeks. Okay.
It's a blush.
Item number 8.
May it please your lordship, the order passing WPC 121 of 2023 have been complied with, my lord, and the contempt case number 31 of 2025 may be closed, my lord.
Now, as per the office note of 27/1,
yes, my lord,
the notice is sent to the respondent number 1 to 4.
Yes, my lord.
But the service is most probably still awaited.
But my lord, no
order of issuance of notice was passed on. It was on 21/10/2025.
Yes, my lord.
Oh. Why service is awaited since postal received, postal office respondent. Postal received from postal office. Postal received. Right now, here the postal receipts were found, or postal receipts. It is here on the case record, or? But AD card is not received back, no? So you have, we have the postal receipts that so far you have taken steps through registered AD also, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
These are available with the record, but we have not found the check consignment report is also not available. That apart, it is still awaited. AD card is also awaited. So we can at least direct the registry to track the consignment report.
Yes, my lord.
It may be reported before this court, otherwise we don't have any. And the service report is also awaited. Because we have taken steps on month of October. You have taken steps in the month of October, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, on
Till date
21/10.
it has not been returned.
Yes, my lord.
Now these officers are, Finance Department. These officers are still in their earlier
Yes, my
place of
lord.
posting?
Yes, my
Do you
lord.
have any information? They are there only.
Yes, my lord. If I may also submit one document, my lord? That is the office order dated to 24/11/2025, my lord. Office order number 285, part 2.
So
what
they,
is?
they heard the second para, the above enhancement of the house rent
Yes.
allowance to be calculated.
Yes, this is for the petitioners, my lord.
They have taken some steps, I think.
Yes, so all the orders, all the orders passed in the WPC have all been complied with, my lord.
No, that is
Yes.
correct. That's why you have come before this court. But some steps were taken, or the above enhanced of the house rent allowances to be calculated from so and so. Observation: the overpayment to be made in this so and so shall be refunded to the government of India earlier adjustment. So one office order was there.
Yes, my lord. Steps was already taken, my lord, by the respondents.
Ah.
So the respondents have also paid out this area, my lord.
They are aware of.
Yes.
No, that's okay. But now the question is, their report is yet to be received. So we'll ask the registry to find out the track consignment report.
My lord.
And service report will be awaited.
My lord.
And as I'm just asking you this, whether these officers are still holding that the
Yes,
office?
my lord, they are still all here.
Hard MS. You can put the name.
Valentina Aldinturi.
Her name is Valentina so and so, the learned counsel for the petitioner. From the office note dated 27/01/2026, the service is still awaited for all the respondents, that is the respondent number 1 to 4. From the record, it reveals that the steps were taken for the respondents in the month of October, and accordingly, and hence the registry is hereby asked to find the train consignment report for the against the postal receipts which have already received by the office. Further, the service report be awaited till next date of listing. Full stop. List the matter accordingly. After 2 weeks, will do.
My lord, if it may be fixed, taken up next week, my lord. On
After
Monday.
1 week,
Yes, my lord.
list accordingly after 1 week.
May we have a fixed date, my lord? On
want
the
fixed date?
Yes,
Fixed date.
next week, 3rd, 2nd or 3rd of February.
Second, there are many matters have already been fixed.
3rd,
Maybe on 3rd or 4th, I think.
my lord.
4th can be 4th of February.
My lord.
List on 4th of February. In the meantime, if we have any possibility, Just make an inquiry with the department also, because as from your notification, it is your order, letter order, it is seen that they are aware of the order of passed in WPC, and accordingly they have taken some sort of steps, I think, also
Yes,
these
ma'am.
stores. So you just make an inquiry whether there is any development, recent development, whether there is any there. Any recent development is there, you can make a inquiry in that regard also.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Otherwise, we have asked the registry to submit the track consignment report on the next.
Yes, my lord. Oblige.
Item number 9.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have an instruction to appear on behalf of the respondent. So I'll be
All the respondents.
only sole respondent.
Oh, sole respondent is it? Okay.
So I'll be filing my vakalatnama during the course of the day.
Acha. Okay.
My lord.
Heard your Mr.
F. Lalengliana.
Heard Mr. F. Lalembia, the learned counsel for the petitioner, appellant. Appellant. Further, Mr. Swenso, the learned counsel, already entered into appearance for the sole respondent and submitting that he will be filing his vakalatnama during the course of the day. In view of this, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
After
3 weeks.
2 weeks, 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, in admission column it can be listed. But records we have received, no. TCR we have received here, no. TCR also be called for from the learned trial court below. List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks in the admission column as on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, if you want to submit anything, you can file. Otherwise, we'll after receipt of the date elsewhere, it may be listed accordingly.
Item number 10.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Lalbiak Nunga.
Lordship,
Service of notices. Service of notices complete. If the matter may be taken next week.
Service is already completed.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior CGC for respondent number 125. May I seek 2 weeks' time for filing affidavit in opposition?
1 to 5.
For respondent number 7.
So now 1 to 5 is already here. Who is 6 and 8? 6 and 8.
They have a standing council.
Oh, acha, acha.
You can be served through them.
6 is the Autonomous District Council, na? And 8 is the Revenue Department. Yes, Revenue Department. So most probably they have the Standing Council. You can, through the Standing Council also notice can be issued. You take steps in that regard. Otherwise, it is services awaited for the respondent. You are appearing for whom?
Mr. Lalbiak Nunga.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard MS so-and-so appearing on behalf of, you are appearing on behalf of MS?
Zairam Sangpui, CGC.
Learned CGC for the respond number 1, state respond number 1 to 5, and also heard MS Linda, the learned additional AG, appearing for the respond number 7. You need some time.
Yes, my lord.
You also?
Yes,
the counsels for the appearing for the respondent accordingly submitted that they need some more time to file their affidavit in opposition, as the instructions are yet to be received from the department concerned. Full stop. Further, from the office note, it is seen that service is still awaited for the respondent number 6 and 8. However, it is seen that the notices may also be served to the standing counsel for the respondent number 6 and 8. The petitioner will do the needful accordingly. First, list the matter after 3 weeks. How many weeks you need?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks as an date to fixed by the registry. Okay.
Item 11.
Lordship, TCR has been received. If the matter may be taken after completion of paper book may be taken.
Completion of paper book? The TCR we have already received.
Yes.
I think paper book will be required.
Paper
At the
book will be
expense-
required.
Yes, at the expense of the appellant.
Why paper book? It is written in English or other language? Not in English.
I believe there are
Because what I am saying, it is a RFA, isn't it?
Yes.
So why the orders are available? Why paper book is also required here? I don't know.
All the depositions will be required.
Depositions are in not in English language. Most probably.
Most probably.
Yes. What do you say?
Yeah.
Lordship, paper book may be prepared.
No, you think paper book will be required?
Yes.
Here in RFA also paper book prepared. The principal said we are not preparing. That's why I am asking. Some cases it's prepared.
But not in most of the cases, except if the language is in vernacular language.
That's what I am saying. If it is the language is in vernacular language or if it is not recorded in English, in that case, no, I don't know. It is maybe in vernacular. Vernacular language is there.
Maybe, my lord.
Maybe. Acha. No, it's okay. If they are paying, then it's okay. So delay has already been condoned. Your delay has already been condoned, I think. You are not
Lordship, not
aware of. Bill is also admitted, no? On the last order, that is on 1311, it seems that delay is condoned and accordingly appeal is also admitted. That TCR was called for. We have received the TCR, no?
Yeah.
So you are representing the respondent, how many respondents?
I'm sorry, my lord, this case is taken up by Miss Mary, who is on leave. So the briefs are all with her.
Anyway, I mean, how many respondents are there?
There
How
are
many?
7 respondents from the Costis, as far as
You will be appearing for all, I think.
I believe so, my lord.
Yes,
they
yes.
are all
Most
the
probably
same.
it is RFA only.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
appearing for. Because the cause list also is not showing the
Not showing.
name of the councils
Yes.
in the cause list. But most probably they appeared because this I was disposed of in their presence, I think. Miss Mary was appearing on the last occasion for all the state respondents. You are Mr.?
Samtang Zela Thilu.
You are appearing for anyone?
Appearing on behalf of my senior Lalbi Agnunga.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. LB and so-and-so. the counsel for the appellant, and also heard MS Linda, the appearing on behalf of MS Mary L. Khangte, the learned government advocate for the state respondents. TCR has already been received. Appeal is also admitted for hearing. However, it is submitted by Mr. Swenso, the learned counsel for the appellant, that paper book will be required for the hearing. In view of this, the registry is hereby directed to prepare the paper and to list the matter accordingly for hearing after preparation of the same. List accordingly. Okay.
Item number 12.
Yes, it is also an RFA.
Yes.
But
Yes,
we
my
are
lord.
the-
Original TCR is not yet received.
Not
We
yet
kindly
received?
call for it.
TCI is not yet received, no? And you are all a respond. You are for the respondents, or you are representing all the respondents?
Yes, I'm appearing for respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2.
Yes. The land dispute mainly between respondent number 1 and appellant.
1 and appellant. So who is 1? Who is 1? 1 is appearing.
Respondent number 1 is not appearing.
We don't need the scan copy. Actually, this is an RFA. We need the copies, entire copy, because it's a regular first appeal. No?
Respondent number 1 has not been represented till today, my lord.
So respondent number 1 is whether she is also represented by anyone?
No one is coming, my lord.
What about his service? No, respondent number 1 is still awaited from the office note on 27/1/2012. However, respondent number 2 has already appeared, but who is the main respondent is respondent number 1, his service is still awaited as per the office note dated 27/01/2026. So let the service be awaited, because most probably the respondent number 1 is the main respondent here.
Yes.
Heard you Mr. Francis?
Yes, Francis Lemoy.
Heard Mr. Francis, the learned counsel, the learned counsel for the appellant, and also heard MS. Your MS?
Silal Pekluri.
Silal Pekluri, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2. However, from the office note dated 27/01/2026, it reveals that service is still awaited for the respondent number 1. Let the service be awaited till next date of registry. In the meantime, the registry is also hereby directed to call for the TCR from the learned court below. List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks, as on a date to fixed by the registry.
That's my lord.
Item 13.
Lordship, respondent number 1 and 2 are now represented, but although we have served notice upon respondent number 3 way back on September last year, my lord, the ID card has not been returned yet. So if we may take first steps upon respondent
So
number
1
3.
and 2 you are appearing for
Lordship,
1
I'm
and 2.
appearing on behalf of Mr. C. Tlantiang Lima for respondent number 1 and 2.
Yes, 1 and 2 are here.
Yes, my lord.
Now 3 is still awaited.
Yes, my lord, since September last year.
Yes, since September. So who is he, in fact?
He is the owner of the accident vehicle.
Owner of the offending vehicle?
Yes, my lord, accident vehicle.
So what do you think? Is he a necessary party or not?
Not really, but we can also proceed ex parte, but my lord,
No, ex parte we cannot at this stage because service is still awaited.
yes.
However, you can take fresh steps. In the meantime, we may also call for, you may also collect the track consignment report and can submit
Yes, my
before the
lord.
court.
Okay.
Otherwise, and if you think that if he, the respondent number 3 is not a necessary party, then his name can be strike out. But the question is that if any relief is sought against him also, in that case, it should not be. So, in that case, either we can await for service or you can take fresh step because it is the steps was taken in the month of September first week.
Yes, my lord, if I may take first steps for once.
Take fresh steps or because I have seen the addresses of 1 and 2 also. The addresses are also not from the same locality.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, 1 and 2 also probably could have been directed to submit the anything, but it is not possible. So, you are Mr.
Lomo Maralte.
Heard Mr. Loa Maradi, the learned counsel for the petitioner applicant appellant, and also heard MS so-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. C. Than Singh Yuba, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. From the office note, it reveals that service is still awaited for the respondent number 3, and the notice was issued to him on 4/9/2025. In view of this, the petitioner applicant appellant is hereby directed to take fresh steps on the respondent number 3 in his registered and proper address. List the matter accordingly after 3 weeks as on a date to be fixed by the registrar. Let's take a chance. You take fresh steps. We see to it.
That's my lord.
Okay. Yes, anyone?
Part 2 hearing, item number 3.
Item number 3. Item number 3 to we have already, they are already brought for adjournment yesterday for 3 weeks. Oh, sorry, 2 weeks. I have already given.
3.
I don't know who appeared. Who appeared? Huh? No, it will be. So I have 2 weeks.
No, you may be mistaken. I haven't marked this item
Is
number
it?
3.
Is
Yes,
it?
yes, yes.
I said this is for item number 3.
Yes, this one.
Oh, no, yes. Oh, then for 2 weeks, for which one? I think I just forgot.
It's maybe for these two. This one,
For-
item number 2.